Hello, bonjour, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyril. I used to be a stem cell researcher for quite some time, and this is why I can tell you about the science behind skincare ingredient. And for today's video, we are going to talk about my monthly favorites. So, well, this is already the end of September. I cannot believe it. I am so busy that the time like flies like so fast. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you about stuff that I've really enjoyed this month. When I say stuff, of course, it is related to skincare, but not only. I've been really inspired by James Welch and also Hiram. So James, during all his monthly favorites video, he now invites other YouTubers that have a smaller platform that I find very amazing. It is also very generous of him, and also it helps promote smaller influencers that also have amazing content. And recently also Hiram published a video which is named I'm Not an Expert. I'm going to link it down below, where basically he has also invited a ton of other beauty influencers that have a big scientific background to basically tell us what they are doing on YouTube, Instagram, and etc. And I find it very fantastic, and it also shows how smart he is, because we all have our own limitation. And I think it's very smart when you are able to say, okay, I'm not an expert for everything. I cannot know everything, and in general, I always invite you. And this is what we also do in research, is to always read what others are doing and etc. And in case of skincare, it's always important to not only stick to one person. So because I was so inspired, I've also decided to do it. I think I'm going to do it actually every month. So I've asked two influencers that I love very much. So the first person is Jen. She's running the EcoL platform on Instagram. She also have a YouTube channel, and what I love about her Instagram account especially is that she debunks some of the big myths. One of them, for example, is that natural ingredient in this, so plant-derived ingredient, aren't necessarily better from the planet, which is the exact same opposite. So I'm going to let Jen introduce herself, and also, like always, I'm going to put all her links down below for you to check them out.
Hi, my name's Jen, and I'm a cosmetic formulator as well as a science communicator, and I run the platform, the EcoL, which, on top of being a consultancy for formulation development, we are also a science communication platform via myself as well as a number of other scientists and other experts that come onto our platform on our Instagram feed, on our YouTube channel via panels, and we also have a cosmetic science podcast. And our goal is to make accurate information, which sometimes can be hard to find, more accessible to everyone in the industry.
The second influencer that I wanted to promote is Bonnie Garner. So she's French, and all her content is in French and also in English. And I really enjoy her blog, how she reviews products. She's really thorough, and even though she doesn't necessarily have the same scientific background as me, I do find that the way that she breaks down every product, the texture and etc. is always very smart and very well done. So I'm going to let Bonnie introduce herself too.
Hello, and first of all, thank you, Cyril, for giving me the opportunity to say a few words in your video. You know, I really appreciate your content, and I'm very proud to be in your video on YouTube. So you asked me to introduce myself to your viewers. So I'm Bonnie Garner. So I'm French. I know my name is not very French, but I am French. And I worked in beauty for a very long time. I started a few years ago, and I was a trainer for beauticians. So I was teaching them to do facials and to talk about different skincare products for different cosmetic brands. And since a few years, I traveled. I was in France, back in France 7 years ago, but now I live in Dubai. And I decided to start a blog. So I started a blog, bonniegarner.com, a few years ago. And 3 years ago, I decided to create beautyalley.com, which is more like an online magazine, and I do a lot of product reviews. I also talk about beauty trends, thing like that. So if you like to read this kind of content, you can just head up to my website beautyali.com. Also, I talk a lot about Korean beauty products because I really feel that there is a lot of cool innovation there, and if you like skincare and makeup like I do, Korean beauty is really innovative at the moment. So that's it. I once again want to thank Cyril Laurent, and that's it. Bye bye.
Okay, so thank you for both of her. Definitely check Jen accounts and also Bonnie. I mean, I've already told you all the links are down below. Now, let's move on to my own favorites. The first ones, and I say ones, are cleanser. I don't know what happened this month, but I've been playing with cleansers a lot, water-based cleansers. So, I mean, if you are not new, you know that I always promote double cleansing, simply because all the water-based cleansers that I'm going to show you actually today, they are all super duper gentle. So, which is why I do think that it is always better to double cleanse. So first use an oil-based cleanser, so it could be a cleansing oil or it could be a balm, and then use one of those water-based cleansers. So I have three. The three of them, they are super gentle. They don't necessarily have the same price range. So the first one that has been sent to me in PR, it's Good Molecule. This is the Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel. The rose water is a little bit gimmicky. It doesn't smell like roses. It has absolutely no perfume, but it is very gentle on the skin. So it's slightly foaming, but not much. It is very, very pleasant to use. I really, really enjoy this one. You get 120 ml from it. It's a really good one, pretty affordable. I mean, this is a Good Molecule, so definitely check this one. I've really, really enjoyed it. The second one that I've talked in my video from Geek and Gorgeous, this is the newest product actually. This is the Jelly Joker from Geek and Gorgeous. So this one is extremely affordable. You get 150 ml. This is like a sort of cleansing cream, cleansing jelly, like they say, like a sort of cleansing gel that is pleasant to use. It is the most pleasant product that I've ever used. Absolutely not, but still for the price, I mean, this is hard to beat, and it is also super gentle. So if you have more normal to slightly dry skin to oily skin type, this one would be perfect. This one, if you have super dry skin, you are going to love it because it is not stripping at all. If you have super oily skin, I don't think this one would be suitable for you, the one from Geek and Gorgeous. Something else about this one, if you are someone that has to cleanse your face in the morning, you can also try this one because this is so gentle. The last one, that is actually an old favorite, but I don't know why I have forgotten about it. This is the one from Skin Fix. I also wonder if they didn't change the package. So I've bought this one last year actually when I was in the United States. This is the foaming oil cleanser, and oh mama, this one is so beautiful, and the texture also of it is very interesting because this is it really glides on the skin, but you have like this sort of emollient feel that I really like. This is definitely one that is more expensive than the other one, but I do think that for the price it is like worth it. It's very, very elegant. It's not stripping at all, and also this one is more versatile, I would say, than the two others, in the sense that it still cleanses, but at the same time it doesn't strip your skin at all from its precious oil. So if you have even more oily skin type, you are going to be able to use this one. Love it. One product that is an active that has been like so wonderful, I filmed a video dedicated to the brand, to Dr. Sam Bending. It's the last serum, the Brightly serum. Oh my, I really, really adore this one. It's really brilliant. So this is the Brightly. This one contains 10% of azelaic acid. In my opinion, in the market, with all the azelaic based products that I've tried so far, I think that this one is the best. It's the best one of all. And I've already told you in this video, but I love the fact that it has a damp pump. So like this, you can measure exactly how much you like. The texture of it, I've also told you about it. It's very creamy, but at the same time, it is not really moisturizing. So therefore, if you have all your skin type, it will be perfectly fine for you. If you are more on the drier side, it will also be good because you are just going to slap on a heavier moisturizer on top. This is really a beautiful, beautiful formula. Another product, and don't ask me why, I have never tried it on the face. I mean, sometimes I'm weird. It's this sunscreen from Skin Aqua. So I got this one in January. So this is the UV Super Moisture Essence. Of course, because this is me, this is an SPF of 50 plus, a PA rating of 4+. I don't know exactly the UVA protection, so this is why I do not recommend this one to use it like for outdoors activity. So if you are planning to spend a long time outside, don't use this one. But if you are looking for a super elegant sunscreen that doesn't feel like sunscreen, that has absolutely no white cast, that have no perfume, it does have a little bit of alcohol, but I'm not sensitive to it, that is completely transparent, that is not drying, but at the same time that is not overly moisturizing, this one is a hit, like a total hit. So the filter of this one is very classic for a Japanese sunscreen. The first one is octinoxate, a UVB filter. Then you have Tinosorb S that absorb UVB, UVA type 2 and UVA type 1. And the last one is Uvinol A+, that is mainly a UVA type 1 absorbent. I mean, the combination of filters is simply flawless. I adore this one, really. I'm going to show you the texture. This is one of those gel cream texture that turns into this lotion. It feels very lightweight, and like I said, it is not stripping at all. You can pack it on the face like crazy with absolutely no problem. It feels hydrating, it is not greasy. I love to use this one on my arms. I've been using it like for a long time actually on my arms because it's not sticky at all, but at the same time it is going to protect your skin. So if you're mainly indoors, you are looking for a good sunscreen, this one is a hit. Also, it works beautifully also under makeup, and I've just started like to use it on my face just this month. I don't know why, really. I don't know why, because I have it since January. So I mean, I have so many sunscreen, this is probably why. Anyway, so basically that's it for today, beautiful people. So I mean, you know the drill. If you did like the video, you give it a thumbs up. If you are new, consider to subscribe and don't forget the bell. What else? I have 2 Instagram accounts, one in English, one in French. I did 4. No, I only have 2. Anyway, that's it. So thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in my next video. Au revoir.